Most beginner bass players struggle because they are trying to memorize songs. But what if I show you 3 simple steps that will help you play bass over any song in just few minutes? In this bass lesson, I will show you exact bass pattern you can use to play over any song. If you are an absolute beginner, even if you don't know any music theory, don't skip this lesson because the last step I will show you will change the game for your bass playing. So let's get started. So here is the song we are going to work with. Carefully listen. One more time. Okay, here is the first step. Only play your root key. On your G, play your G minor. On your D, play your D minor. On your C, play your C. Only your root key at this time. G minor, D minor, C. Let's play the song. Play with motivation. Don't be discouraged, just start. Feel music, feel something. Believe in yourself. Okay, on our next step, number 2, is for you to add up your own rhythm into it and feel music. Let's go. Add up your own rhythm. Don't be discouraged. Feel music. Be confident, be bold. Feel music. One more time. On step number 3, haven't played your root notes, haven't added your own rhythm, then it is time for us to add our 5th into bass. G minor 5th, D 5th, C 5th. Add the 5th of each note. Add the 5th. Haven't played the root note, at the 5th of each note at your own rhythm. It's high time we improvise. Take the bold step to improvise this by adding each of the roots. improvise with confidence, feel music, smile. Let's go.